Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 13th, and our craspedia seedlings here need to be transplanted. So you can see the roots coming out the bottom of them, and they definitely need transplanted. So we're going to be transplanting them into a container here of, this is Miracle Grow potting mix. And what we're going to do is we're going to make our hole here, and I'm going to set the seedling in it, and I'm just going to fill back in around it. Now our soil will settle when we water it, so I have some more here that we're going to be putting around it. So we're going to finish planting the rest of these here. We're going to be putting 4 in here. You want to go ahead and start putting some in? And I have my mom helping me here today. And you can see on this one here, the roots, it has really nice root systems on it. And they just really need to be transplanted. So, you can put these in individual containers. But, I want to skip that transplanting time. So, I'm just going to put them right into here. And they'll grow. This is how I do my carnations. And it'll be really nice for us.
Do you want me to bring that over here further?
Yeah, go ahead and bring this one over here further. So.
Sorry about that.
That's okay, you're fine. Go. And we did not cover the peat pellet because we don't want to do that. So, yep, you're good here. Yep, I'm doing real good with that. So, we're going to water these, and we'll be right back. Yep, go ahead and start watering them. Okay, so we're back, and we're going to get them some water here. And the water is room temperature. We're just going to water around in here. And you can see the soil settling, so we're going to have to come back in and add more soil to it. So I have my little garden tools here, and I'm just going to kind of fill in some around here.
I'll set this down.
Okay. Yeah, you want to get a little bit more water.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm just going to fill in around here. And I've done this with carnations already, where I have put them in when they were still little like this, and they did just fine growing. So. Okay, I'm going to give it some more water here.
Do you want it something smaller?
No, it's fine in that.
I didn't feel quite as full.
It's just going to
It's
drip.
okay. The rest of this?
No.
Okay.
So we're just gonna fill in just a little bit more soil over here because it still has some air pockets. And being that we planted these and the jiffy peat pellets and we're transplanting them now like we are, we should get our bloom time, like we shouldn't get delayed. So we'll have to see. I'm excited to see what these look like. Okay, so we're going to finish this up here and then we'll come back when it's all done and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so we're back and we got our craspedia seedlings transplanted and we put them under the light under here. Now we will continue to feed these once a week with our Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food, a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water, and we'll, after we have our plant food mixed up, then we'll feed our plants with it. And I'll come back later on with another video and I'll tell you when to start increasing your plant food and what to look for. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.